SAP APO Online Training. Introduction to SAP APO. SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization (APO) is a supply chain management (SCM) software solution that helps businesses optimize their supply chains by providing a comprehensive suite of planning and optimization tools. SAP APO is part of the SAP ERP suite of products and is used by businesses of all sizes, from small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, to large multinational corporations. Key benefits of using SAP APO include improved demand forecasting. SAP APO uses a variety of statistical and machine learning techniques to forecast demand for products and services. This helps businesses to ensure that they have the right amount of inventory on hand to meet customer demand. Optimized supply chain planning. SAP APO helps businesses to optimize their supply chains by creating plans for production, transportation, and warehousing. These plans help to minimize costs and improve efficiency. Increased visibility into the supply chain. SAP APO provides businesses with real-time visibility into their supply chains. This helps them to identify and resolve problems quickly and efficiently. Improved decision-making. SAP APO provides businesses with the data and insights they need to make better decisions about their supply chains. This helps them to improve their profitability and competitiveness. Key features of SAP APO. Demand planning. SAP APO provides a variety of demand planning tools, including statistical forecasting, machine learning, and collaborative forecasting. Supply network planning. S&P is a central planning tool that helps businesses to optimize their production, transportation, and warehousing networks. Production planning and detailed scheduling. PPDS is a detailed planning tool that helps businesses to schedule production activities and optimize resource utilization. Transport management. SAP APO provides a variety of transportation planning and optimization tools, including route planning, freight optimization, and load planning. Global Available to Promise. ATP is a tool that helps businesses to provide accurate and up-to-date delivery dates to their customers. What is APO in SAP? SAP APO, Advanced Planning and Optimization, also called Advanced Planner and Optimizer, is primarily the supply chain management application module from SAP. SAP APO module helps an organization to manage its supply chain process and network. What does APO stand for SAP? SAP APO stands for Advanced Planner and Optimizer. It is a component complementing the SAP ERP Central Component, ECC, logistics and supply chain processes, like procurement, production, and sales. SAP APO is designed to improve the availability of products, putting customers at the center of the process. Is SAP APO still active? The SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization (APO) supply chain planning system is used throughout every industry around the world. Maintenance and support for the solution are expected to be discontinued in 2025. Who uses SAP APO? Companies using SAP APO for demand forecasting and planning, advanced planning and scheduling include ExxonMobil, a United States-based oil, gas and chemicals organization with 62,000 employees and revenues of $398.68 billion, Apple Incorporated, a United States-based manufacturing organization with 164,000 employees. What is APO software? SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization, APO, is a tool used by companies to manage their supply chains and operations. It helps companies plan resources efficiently, from materials and inventory management to capacity planning and transportation. What is the full form of APO? The full form of APO is Assistant Prosecution Officer. The job profile of an Assistant Prosecution Officer is to provide assistance to prosecution officers in various legal cases. Their work involves gathering evidence and other information related to the court cases. Why choose SAP APO? SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization, SAP APO, is a supply chain management (SCM) software solution that helps businesses optimize their supply chains by providing a comprehensive set of planning and optimization tools. SAP APO is used by businesses of all sizes across a wide range of industries to improve their supply chain efficiency, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. Here are some of the reasons why businesses choose SAP APO. Improved supply chain visibility. SAP APO provides businesses with a real-time view of their entire supply chain, from suppliers to customers. This visibility helps businesses identify and resolve problems before they impact customers. Enhanced demand planning. SAP APO uses sophisticated statistical and analytical tools to forecast demand more accurately. This helps businesses avoid stockouts and overstocks, and ensures that they have the right products in the right place at the right time. Optimized production planning. SAP APO helps businesses optimize their production schedules to meet demand while minimizing costs. This includes factors such as scheduling production runs, allocating resources, and optimizing inventory levels. Improved transportation planning. SAP APO helps businesses optimize their transportation routes and schedules to reduce transportation costs and improve delivery times. This includes factors such as selecting the most efficient carriers, routing shipments, and consolidating shipments. Reduced costs. SAP APO can help businesses reduce costs across the entire supply chain, from procurement to transportation. This includes reducing inventory costs, labor costs, and transportation costs. Increased customer satisfaction. SAP APO can help businesses improve customer satisfaction by ensuring that they have the right products in stock when customers want them. This can lead to increased sales, reduced customer churn, and improved brand loyalty. Some additional benefits of using SAP APO. SAP APO is a fully integrated solution that works with other SAP ERP systems, such as SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA. This makes it easy to integrate SAP APO into your existing business processes. SAP APO is a scalable solution that can be used by businesses of all sizes. This means that you can start small with SAP APO and grow with it as your business grows. SAP APO is a supported solution that is backed by SAP's global network of support and services. This means that you can get help from SAP if you need it. What are the challenges of SAP APO? There are many challenges of SAP APO, some of which include complexity. SAP APO is a complex system that can be difficult to learn and use. This can lead to errors and inefficiencies in the supply chain. Data quality. SAP APO is only as good as the data that is input into it. If the data is inaccurate or incomplete, then the system will not be able to provide accurate forecasts or plans. Integration. SAP APO needs to be integrated with other systems in the organization, such as ERP and CRM. This can be a challenge, as it requires a lot of coordination and effort. Cost. SAP APO is a relatively expensive system to implement and maintain. This can be a barrier for some organizations. Change management. Implementing SAP APO can be a major change for an organization. This can lead to resistance from employees and other stakeholders. Training. Employees need to be trained on how to use SAP APO effectively. This can be a time-consuming and expensive process. Tips for overcoming the challenges of SAP APO. Get buy-in from all stakeholders. It is important to get buy-in from all stakeholders in the organization before implementing SAP APO. This will help to ensure that everyone is on board with the project and that they are committed to making it a success. Start small. Don't try to implement SAP APO across the entire organization at once. Start small and pilot the system in 1 or 2 departments. This will allow you to work out the kinks and make sure that the system is working properly before rolling it out to the rest of the organization. Use a consultant. If you are not familiar with SAP APO, it is a good idea to use a consultant. A consultant can help you to implement the system correctly and avoid common pitfalls. Be patient. Implementing SAP APO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to get the system up and running smoothly. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Continuous improvement. Once you have implemented SAP APO, it is important to continue to improve the system. This means regularly reviewing the system and making changes as needed. Is learning SAP APO useful? Yes, learning SAP APO, advanced planning and optimization, can be useful for your career. SAP APO is a software suite that helps organizations manage their supply chains. It is a complex and powerful tool, but it can be very valuable for businesses of all sizes. Here are some of the benefits of learning SAP APO. Increased job opportunities. SAP APO is a highly sought-after skill, and there is a high demand for SAP APO consultants. With SAP APO skills, you will have a wide range of job opportunities to choose from. Higher earning potential. SAP APO consultants are typically paid well, and you can expect to earn a higher salary with SAP APO skills. Career advancement. SAP APO skills can help you advance your career and move into more senior positions. Increased knowledge of supply chain management. Learning SAP APO will give you a deep understanding of supply chain management and how to optimize it. Best practices of SAP APO. Use a strong master data foundation. This includes having accurate and up-to-date data for products, customers, suppliers, and locations. Establish clear planning processes. This includes defining the roles and responsibilities of different stakeholders, as well as the steps involved in each planning process. Utilize SAP APO's forecasting capabilities. This can help you to identify trends and patterns in demand, which can then be used to make better planning decisions. Leverage SAP APO's optimization capabilities. This can help you to identify and implement the most efficient and cost-effective ways to run your supply chain. Monitor and maintain your SAP APO system. This includes making sure that your system is up to date with the latest software and patches, as well as that your data is accurate and complete. Train your employees on SAP APO. This will help them to use the system effectively and efficiently. Use a strong change management process. This will help to ensure that any changes to your SAP APO system are made in a controlled and coordinated manner. Use SAP APO to simulate different scenarios. This can help you to make better planning decisions by understanding the impact of different factors on your supply chain. Use SAP APO to track and measure your performance. This can help you to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Use SAP APO to collaborate with your partners. This can help you to improve your supply chain visibility and efficiency. Advantages of SAP APO Online Training. Flexibility and convenience. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can access the course materials from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can complete the course at your own convenience. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals who may not have the time to attend traditional classroom training. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. There are no travel or accommodation costs associated with online training, and you may be able to save money on course materials. Access to a wider range of courses. Online training providers offer a wider range of SAP APO courses than traditional training providers. This means that you can find a course that meets your specific needs and learning goals. Learn from experienced instructors. Online SAP APO courses are taught by experienced instructors who are experts in the field. These instructors can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in your career. Gain hands-on experience. Many online SAP APO courses include hands-on exercises and projects. This allows you to practice what you have learned and gain real-world experience. Career opportunities in SAP APO. SAP APO is a supply chain planning and optimization software that is used by businesses of all sizes to optimize their supply chains. SAP APO can help businesses to improve their planning accuracy, reduce costs, and improve customer service. SAP APO Consultant. SAP APO consultants are responsible for implementing and supporting SAP APO solutions. They need to have a strong understanding of SAP APO and the supply chain process. SAP APO Developer. SAP APO developers are responsible for developing and customizing SAP APO solutions. They need to have a strong programming background and a good understanding of SAP APO. SAP APO Analyst. SAP APO analysts are responsible for analyzing supply chain data and identifying opportunities for improvement. They need to have a strong understanding of supply chain metrics and be able to communicate effectively with both technical and non-technical audiences. Salary expectation in SAP APO. The average SAP APO salary in India is 9,17,921 rupee per year. The salary range for SAP APO consultant job is from 3.8 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs rupees with an average annual salary of 7.6 lakhs rupees. Salary estimates are based on 391 latest salaries received from SAP APO consultants. The salary for an SAP APO consultant can vary depending on several factors, including experience. The more experience you have, the higher your salary will be. Location. Salaries for SAP APO consultants are generally higher in major cities. Company size. Salaries for SAP APO consultants are generally higher at larger companies. Industry. Salaries for SAP APO consultants are generally higher in industries that are more reliant on SAP software. If you are interested in becoming an SAP APO consultant, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of getting a high-paying job. Get certified. There are several SAP APO certifications that can help you demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Gain experience. The best way to gain experience is to work in an SAP APO environment. There are many companies that offer internships and entry-level positions for SAP APO consultants. Network. Networking is a great way to meet people who work in the SAP industry and learn about job openings. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP APO Online Training? There are many reasons to choose Proexcellency for SAP APO Online Training. Here are a few of the most compelling reasons. Experienced and certified trainers. Proexcellency has a team of experienced and certified trainers who have been providing SAP APO training for many years. They are experts in the field and are able to provide you with the best possible training experience. Flexible and convenient training options. Proexcellency offers a variety of training options to suit your needs and schedule. You can choose to take online training, in-person training, or a combination of both. You can also choose to take the training at your own pace or in a live classroom setting. Comprehensive training materials. Proexcellency provides you with comprehensive training materials that will help you learn everything you need to know about SAP APO. The materials are well organized and easy to understand, and they are updated regularly to reflect the latest changes to the software. Real-world examples and case studies. Proexcellency uses real-world examples and case studies to help you learn how to apply SAP APO in your own business. This will help you to get the most out of your training and to be more successful in your career. Guaranteed satisfaction. Proexcellency is so confident in the quality of their training that they offer a guaranteed satisfaction guarantee. Thank you.